Good morning, everyone. I'm Sohanas in CSC IoT department. Today, I'm going to explain about an experiment in introduction to IoT. About experiment 3, interfacing IoT development and go and configuring you through USRT for transferring strings. It's something about sending a message from the physical device to the physical microcontroller to the our screen monitor. Let me explain how to do this experiment. In this experiment, we are going to use two types of software. First one is HTM3 Cube ID, and second one is serial port utility. First, and we are going to use UART protocol for transferring this message from the physical microcontroller to our screen. What is UART protocol and how does it work? Let me explain you. Universal Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter is called protocol. This is a serious communication protocol which used to transmit between digital devices. And let me explain how this HTM32 ID works. First, open the HTML32, open the software. You can see in the screen, and then open a new file which automatically loads and downloads the necessary files for doing our experiments, and give the project name, title, and the place where it can store, and then move on to connectivity, and then systems go, and you can set a synchronized mode. And let me show you asynchronous mode and enable USRT interrupt command for the challenges, and then give control yes and save this file. You can automatically generate a place where you can save the code and run it. I will explain the code afterwards. You first, after pasting the code, you can give the project and check whether error or warning are coming or not. If it successfully run, you can dump this code on another software in a serial boot utility. And then we are moving to, you can use this HTML30 cube programmer for dumping the software. First, you want to connect the physical microcontroller through the port using COM6456 on any of one which is compatible to your devices. And then you want to dump this code from this experiment where you have stored it. Open a open a serial utility app which you used to need the information and then receive the message from the physical microcontroller. We be in this place we can display the text messages or the any kind of measurements which is be transmitted from the physical device to this on the screen. Let me explain the code. We will be using include main.hes, studio.h, which are standard C program on all the code. And the first line, see you can see if define C is a online compiler which used to compile our code, and the hashtag define put check prototype. It's also an important thing. This line is responsible for sending input in the serial monitor, and which use and we are using define GNUC. It's a online compiler which compile our code, and we entering to the main part void all init GTE system clock config MXGPU init MXUCRT UART init which are used to UART protocol, and which transfer the message from a device to the physical monitor. Through print statement, we can give whatever message we want to transmit. So we are giving Savita Engineering College and SCOFT with a delay of 500. All delay is the time taken to give time to interval between the first message and the second message. And finally, we recalling the function by bootcap prototype. See, you can see the output where it's done in the serial monitor. The physical microcontroller sends a sends the input the Savita Engineering College, the first one, an interval of a delay of 500 to the second one, the SCOP. I hope you understand this experiment and thank you for watching this video. Let's see you on the next one.